Are you ready to revolutionize the world of digital education? Welcome to Digital Futures Education, where the future of learning meets the power of technology. In this video, we will introduce you to the powerful suite of services that Digital Futures Education has, a suite of services that empowers educators and students to help them integrate digital tools into their educational journey. Let us begin. Empower your institution with seamless digital integration. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead is essential. And that's where we come in with our team of expert educational consultants through the process of integrating state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge tools into your curricula. From school consultations to a full range of comprehensive services, we've got you covered, customizing support and training for maximum impact. But fear not. Our personalized training goes far beyond simple integration, helping you master digital tools and strategies. These tools and strategies are tailored to your unique teaching and instructional needs. We are here to support you every step of the way. We provide comprehensive professional development opportunities, ensuring that educators and technology career seekers possess the essential skills and knowledge to excel in the educational environment. We are here to help you advance your career. But that's not all. We're excited to introduce our new YouTube channel, Digital Futures Education, where we share tutorials and expert interviews that highlight the incredible impact of technology on education. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll have access to the amazing content we'll have ready for you to share and engage with. Have something valuable to share? Want to be a podcast guest? We are all ears. Register on our website to share your experiences with our world. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, www.digitalfutureseducation.com, to learn more about our services and training programs, as well as the exciting content that awaits you on the Digital Futures Education YouTube channel. Let's build the future of education together. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to receive interesting and enriching information. See you at the digital frontier.